Hello everyone, we have given 3 plus 3 equal 18, 4 plus 4 equal 24, 5 plus 5 equal 30, then 7 plus 7 equal what? So, can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment, what number you found, and watch my solution in this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell. Here on the channel, we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look. 3 plus 3 is basically 6 and 6 times 3 is 18. Now 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 times 3 is 24. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 times 3 is 30. So what's the logic? 7, you have to add the number and then multiply it by 3. So 7 plus 7 is 14 and 14 times 3 is 42. So what replaces the question mark? 42. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.